So going to do another little video here from Trani. I was just trying to get parakeets and a big pine tree above our heads. Look at that nest. It's amazing. These ones just constantly flying backwards and forwards in and out of the pine trees with big bits of palm frond, I think it is they're using, out the nest. And just over this way there's another nest there. I don't know how good this would be because it's zoomed right in as far as the phone will go. Just using the phone obviously. But that is just stunning. There's just loads of them. And just landed over there, but now you can find I lost them. And there's one constantly flying backwards and forwards to a tree over there with bits of nesting material. Oh, and there's more nests up there. Wow. I just love these guys. I love the sight of them, the sound of them, everything about them. The first time I saw them in the wild as such was in the big park in Seville. That was our first trip abroad in Italy 6 years ago on our way back from Portugal. And here we are, very close to the same time of year. It was about a week after Jay's birthday. It was about the 10th.
Leaving outside.
10th, 13th of May or something, 6 years ago, that I first saw parakeets in the wild like this in Seville. So to have them again now, it's just fabulous. I hope you can hear the sound. I'm going to shut up and let you hear. Crazy noisy birds. Okay, goodbye again from Trani.